Isabella Rose, the daughter of Luis Manzano and Jessie Mendiola, recently celebrated her first birthday. On Instagram, the celebrity couple shared snaps of their daughter's birthday photo shoot, along with heartfelt messages to mark her special day. Happy first birthday to our little girl, Rosie. I never knew I could love like this. You taught me patience, kindness, and most of all how to love unconditionally, the celebrity mom wrote. Jessie Mendiola then said that being a mom to her little girl is an absolute blessing and I cannot imagine my life without you. She went on, "You are my everything, my love. Thank you for bringing joy into our lives, our sunshine. I love you so much, my Rosie Boo," in a separate post. Luis Manzano expressed his love for his daughter and said that she is their biggest blessing. "Happy first birthday to the peanut that changed our lives, Mama, and I love you very much, anak. You are our biggest blessing, anything and everything for you, Peanut. I love you," he wrote. On Christmas Day, Luis Manzano and Jessie Mendiola took to social media to share their stylist family photo shoot with baby Rosie. Luis Manzano and Jessie Mendiola became husband and wife after tying the knot in 2021. They welcomed their first child, Isabella Rose, whom they nicknamed Rosie, on December 28, 2022. Jessie Mendiola gave birth to Rosie via cesarean section. Since debuting on social media, Rosie has been an internet darling. Take a look at the cutest photos of Jessie Mendiola and Luis Manzano. Little bundle of joy here.